Welcome back. Okay, so we have been working on questions using did, do, does and will, and now it's going to get more complicated because we're going to add in questions using what, where, the WH questions. So I'm going to ask you about 20 questions. They might be quite personal, they might be quite difficult, but give it your best shot, okay? So I would like you, after I've repeated the question twice, to write an answer, and then your teacher will check these at a later stage. So I'm going to say the question twice. The first time I will say it nice and slowly, but the second time I will say it as if I'm asking a friend in Oxford. So normal speed, okay? So we're going to start with the verb understand, okay? What do you understand by the phrase millefeuille? What do you understand by the phrase millefeuille? I said it would be difficult. I'll do an easier one now, okay? This is take. What do you take when you're feeling unwell? What do you take when you're feeling unwell? Okay. The next verb is think. How do you think mankind invented the wheel? How do you think mankind invented the wheel? That's a tricky one. Another easy one, become. Who will become the next king or queen in England after Queen Elizabeth dies? Who will become the next Queen of England, King or Queen of England, when Queen Elizabeth dies? Leave is the next one. Which bag did you leave in the house? Which bag did you leave in the house? Know is the next verb. Who did you know when you were at university? Who did you know when you were at university? Okay, find. Which object did you find in that bottom drawer? Which object did you find in that bottom drawer? Try is the next one. Whose jacket will you try on at the party? Whose jacket will you try on at the party? Okay, the next one is make. How do you make sausage rolls? How do you make sausage rolls? And now we've got ask. Which person will you ask to the May ball? Which person will you ask to the May ball? I've got speak now. When did they speak to you about not having any homework? When did they speak to you about not having any homework? The next one is use. Where does one use a comb? Where does one use a comb? And the next one is want. Who does want to go to France? Sorry.